How to turn off Siri when your phone is locked. If you want to turn off Siri but your phone is locked, then follow these steps. Firstly, you will need to unlock your phone and set up these settings. For the setup of Siri, open Settings on your device. In Settings, scroll down. Scroll down until you see the option Siri and Search. If you can't find this option, then you can simply go to the search bar on the top and search for Siri and Search. Open this option. Now inside you will see an interface like this. On the third number, you will see the option Allow Siri when locked. If you have this option turned on, then make sure to turn it off. To turn it off, simply tap on the switch icon next to the option. Now Allow Siri when locked option is successfully turned off, which means you can turn off Siri when your phone is locked. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.